What is this?
No, teacher.
No. You know this. What is this? After 10.
Teacher.
What is this after
No.
10? 11.
Weapon.
Okay. So,
Yay!
show me some letters, Arlet, and then you will tell me what letter, huh? Okay? Okay. Arlet, what letter is this?
B.
Very good. Don't look at Tita. Letter
Yeah.
this.
Oh.
Wow! Very good. What letter? Oh, is this?
D.
Very good. Oh, what letter is this?
Yeah.
Nice. What letter?
Yeah.
This one.
Two.
You. Nice. Wait. This one.
M.
Very good. This one.
M.
There's really nothing camera. This one.
W.
W. Nice. And this?
One.
Tumalo na tayo sa numbers. Sorry guys. Tumalo na kami sa numbers. That's this one.
Six.
Huh? What is this? Yeah, you're right. 6. And this one?
Seven.
This?
Eight.
This?
Nine.
Good.
Ten.
Ang bilis mo naman. Wait.
Eight.
This?
Five.
Nice. What is this?
Six.
6. What is this?
Three.
Huh? 3. Very good.
Yeah.
This?
Two.
2. And this?
One.
1. And wait.
Eight.
What is this?
20. 12.
Oh, 12.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this?
No, teacher.
No. You know this. What is this? After 10.
Teacher.
What is this after
No.
11.
Weapon.
Very good. We're done now. We're done for now. Say bye-bye to your viewers. Arurururu. Arurururu. What do you want? You want your iPad? Let's watch now. Oh, sige. You want me to ask you more? You want me to ask you more? Oh, sige. I will ask you more. What color is this?
Pink.
Yes. What color is this?
Blue.
What color
Blue.
is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Ang bilis mo lang magsalita. What color? Oh, don't look. What color is this?
Purple.
Purple. What color is this?
Orange. I go. Teacher, go over. I go blue. I also go blue.
Yes. We are both wearing the same color. Okay. This,
I go blue.
Yes. What is this?
Nana.
Nyanya. Nyanya.
Teacher, I love you.
Oh, look at
I love you, teacher.
I love you, Alice.
What a sound.
You want sound? What does the dog say? What does the pig say?
Oink, oink, oink.
What does the frog say?
Baby, baby.
What does the cat say?
Meow, meow.
What does the snake say? What does the dinosaur say?
Whoa.
What does the bird says? What does the fish says? What more? What does the cow says?
Moo, moo.
Very good. Good job, Ayet. Clap your hands.